Ready to become a digital storyteller? We're about to discover how Python can tell amazing stories, one line at a time. Today we're leveling up from simple one-line programs to epic multi-line masterpieces. We'll build programs with multiple print statements working together. Discover how Python reads our code like a story from top to bottom. Learn the secret art of adding helpful comments and master the magic of blank lines. This is where real programming begins. Here's something exciting. Real programs are never just one line. They're like books with multiple chapters, recipes with many steps, or conversations with back-and-forth dialogue. We're about to unlock this power. Behold our first multi-line masterpiece. Look how we've created a complete story using multiple print statements. Each line has its own job, introducing the tale, describing our hero, revealing the discovery, adding dramatic space with an empty print, and giving us a perfect ending. This is storytelling with code. Here's one of the most important secrets in all of programming. Python reads our code exactly like you read a book, starting at the top, moving down line by line, never skipping ahead or jumping around. This means the order we write our print statements determines the exact order of our story. Watch Python in action. Just like following a recipe, Python starts at line 1, executes it completely, then moves to line 2, executes it, then line 3, and so on. It's like having a super obedient friend who follows every instruction in perfect order. You can't frost a cake before you bake it, and you can't show the ending before the beginning. Here's a brilliant professional trick. See that print with empty parentheses in our story? That creates a blank line in our output, giving our story breathing room. It's like adding paragraph breaks to make text easier to read. Real programmers use this all the time. Now we're discovering something absolutely fascinating. Comments. These are like secret digital sticky notes that you can leave in your code. Python completely ignores them, but they're incredibly valuable for us humans who read and write the code. Look at these amazing comment examples. Every line starting with the hashtag symbol is completely invisible to Python. We can explain what our code does, leave ourselves reminders for later, or even temporarily turn off parts of our code. It's like having a secret language for programmers. Here's the golden rule of comments. The moment Python sees a hashtag symbol, it ignores everything else on that line. This gives us incredible power to annotate our code. But here's a crucial warning about comment quality. Bad comments just repeat what the code already shows us, like writing print hello above a print hello line. That's useless. Good comments explain the why behind our code, like greet the user when the program starts or display the main menu title. Always ask yourself, does this comment add valuable information? Quick thinking time. Why do you think professional programmers use comments in their code? Exactly. Code isn't just for computers. Other humans need to understand it too. Here's what professional, well-commented code looks like. Notice how the comments explain the purpose of each section, not just repeat what's obvious. This makes the code much easier to understand for anyone who reads it later, including future you. What an incredible journey into program structure. We learned that multiple print statements let us build amazing, bigger programs, discovered that Python reads our code from top to bottom like a story, mastered the art of blank lines with empty print statements, unlocked the power of comments with hashtag symbols, and learned that great comments explain the why behind our code, Next, we're diving into something mind-blowing. Python can do math. You're officially building real multi-line programs now.